This video content is not intended for children.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Well, a couple days ago, it was my birthday, and Miss Realistic got me a billboard wishing me a happy birthday. You gotta check this out. So yeah, isn't that one of the most amazing birthday presents? Seeing Realistic Fishing up there, my name in lights. I had to get a picture during the day. I even went out there at night to take a small video. What an awesome birthday present, right? Along with celebrating my birthday, I have been out there fishing, but the fishing has not been great. So, I'm here in the studio today to open a few pieces of mail. It's like my birthday is still going. So we're gonna check it out and see what we got. This first piece is from Trevor in Wartburg, Tennessee. All right, we got a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see what we got. We got a letter here and it says, "Hey man, hope all is well. Here are some different baits for you. Do with them as you please. I'm including a patch from my work. It's my kid's idea to put on your board. We love your channel. Thanks for the great work. Throw some baits our way if you don't care, sir. Blessings, Trevor." Let's see what he sent. First off, he sent this Morgan County Sheriff's patch to put up on the wall. So there we go. I got a Morgan County, Tennessee Sheriff's patch. Pretty cool stuff. Let's see what's in the box. We got some Booyah Pond Magic. This is a multi-pack of spinner baits. Got 3 of them in there. Also a pack of Googan baits. Got some soft plastic stick worms here. Here's a package of Berkeley Power Bait HD True Color, the Champ Minnow. That's an interesting minnow. It's got a lifelike pattern printed on the side. That's pretty cool. Lifelike power bait. Here's a package of Eagle Claw assorted bait hooks. We got some J hooks. We got some weedless worm hooks. Some EWGs. Nice little assortment here. Also have a Strike King Mini King spinnerbait, an original rooster tail, and a Yum Bass Kit with a picture of Micah Frazier. Got some worms, some lizards, all sorts of stuff in there. Awesome, awesome variety. Thanks again to Trevor for sending in this package with the patch and these fishing lures. And sure, Trevor, I'll pick a few items from my realistic collection and send them your way.
What's up, everybody? Fatboy Dan here from Fatboy Dan's Great Outdoors. Y'all already know you're watching Realistic Fishing, and just remember to always keep it realistic.
Let's see what else we got. This package is from Les in Hartsville, Tennessee. That's the second package from Tennessee today. All right. We got a fish on decal. I thought that might have been a letter. I don't see a letter right off the bat, so we're just going to start taking stuff out of the box. Here's a Piscifun 2000 Flame. Yeah, we got a fishing reel here, a spinning reel in the 2000 class. Hey, that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. We got some Fin Commander curly critters. It's like a twister tail grub. Some Arky grubs with a minnow head. They call it the Pro 2.5 minnow. Some barrel swivels. Got some size 6 bait holders. Here's a package of line. We got some 100% fluorocarbon Berkeley Vanish 4-pound test. Here's another reel, a Piscifun 2000 Flame. This one still in the wrapper. Here's a letter. Let's see what it says. Dear Alex, as always, love the show and I appreciate all the hard work you do making your videos. Recently, one of your videos inspired me and I wanted to return the favor. You were talking about how easy it was to catch panfish. You said you didn't even need to have live bait. I love pan fishing, and if you fish with the right gear, an 8 to 10 inch bluegill can feel like a 5-pound bass. From a fellow pan fisherman to another is enclosed one brand new panfish reel, one of my favorites. Also, there's a bunch of stickers, a patch, and a flag. The other reel is for a lucky fan. There's also a bunch of stuff for a fan to start building their own panfish rig. 4-pound line, hooks, lures, swivels, plastics, etc. Anyway, sorry about my handwriting, and thanks for all your hard work. Keep it realistic. Les. Alright, so it seems like we're going to have a giveaway here. A panfish giveaway, courtesy of Les. We're going to do a reel. We're going to do a couple of lures. Let's see what else is in the box.
Hi, I'm Sherry. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Here's the flag he was talking about. This is from the Brotherhood of Catfishermen. Here's the patch. Same company, Brotherhood of Catfishermen. Got some stickers here from the United States Catfish Association. Also some Piscifun stickers. Some little Chinese crank baits. Little tiny panfish cranks. Small popper, some more curly tail grubs. Here's a dream shot. This isn't so much a panfish bait, but maybe a bass bait. I suppose you could catch some big mean panfish on that. Also some crappie magnets. Some more small poppers. And finally, some more crappie magnets. Since Les mentioned doing a giveaway, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away the Piscifun 2000 size reel here, courtesy of Les. We'll throw in the Piscifun stickers. We'll throw in the Berkeley fluorocarbon line. Some hooks. Some random lures, tiny crankbaits, tiny poppers, some swivels, the curly tails, and some crappie magnets. All you gotta do to be entered to win is like the video, right? Leave a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and leave a comment down below, and I'll pick a winner in a future video. Thanks again to Les for sending in the reels, the lures, the stickers, and including enough for a giveaway. We're going to have a lucky winner out there with a new reel and a bunch of lures.
My name is Dewey Cash, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Alright, we got time for one more. Let's see what we have here. This package is from Larry in Southold, New York. Alright, inside we have a bumper sticker that says, "Quit bitchin', go fishin', East End Bait and Tackle," up there in New York. We have a postcard. "Dear Realistic Fishing, how are you doing today? I'm doing alright. It was recently my birthday, so I'm still riding that wave. I love what you put on YouTube," from Larry Schmidt. We got a cool thank you card from Larry. Also a Thunder Mist T-turn rig. Hey, this is pretty cool. I've seen Thunder Mist lures on YouTube before. Yeah, that's a neat looking rig. They have a unique design on their T-turn swivels. Also, we have a jawbone crawfish lure. Hard plastic crawfish with detached claws. They look like they're going to do this. Got a little mini panfish tackle box here with some bobbers and jig heads and stuff. Also some steel egg sinkers. Another jawbone crawfish, just like that other one. And finally, a live target bait ball. So this is a crankbait, and it looks like it has a bunch of little minnows inside. Interesting looking bait here. So, thanks again to Larry for sending mail into the show. Got some cool lures here, cool bumper stickers, and the T-turn rig. Interesting stuff. Thanks again, Larry. Well, that's about all the time I have for today. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. We got a reel over here, a new fishing reel, and a bunch of pan fishing equipment, some lures, some hooks, even some fluorocarbon line. Thanks again to everyone who sent something into the show, and thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.